Disclaimer, feelings will be hurt, souls will be lifted, and time constraints will be embarrassed today. Without further ado, let's lock in, let's focus up.
I gotta speak up. Y'all might say, well, Jeezy, you called him out. Jeezy, he been throwing shots, y'all.
Jeezy.
I feel like with the enhancements and it's the easy way out.
Jeezy.
See, when I said if you don't have waves, you don't know how to cut waivers, not that you can't really cut waves just because you're not a waiver. Hey, with that cut, all I gotta say is waivers know what waivers want, okay? Especially if you're a real waiver. Okay, I'm throwing shots.
Jeezy.
He's pretty decent with the waiver cuts, all right? Do I think he on me?
Jeezy. I can show y'all how to sharpen this pencil. I got 27 more minutes for this challenge. It's 11:06. All right, we got 11:06, 24 more minutes. Hold up, let me scoop this back for you. Let me get y'all some angles right quick. Let me show y'all what I mean by these angles. This way, drop them. Lean the chair back some. It's 11:11 right now, and I got until 11:30 for it to be 45 minutes. So I'm finna just deal with an extra 10 to 15 minutes of detailing so I can show y'all how to separate yourself from the rest. But that's in 26 minutes right there. He came in at 10:45. The clock capped off at 11:11. Give me that. 11:11. But I'm finna add 15 or 14 more minutes worth of detailing just so I can show y'all how to get it done. I'm just doing extra because we different. None of this is mandatory. The haircut been done. Y'all seen me cap off. That's Glacier. What else do I need to say here, fellas? All right, Kanan, let me know what you think about this 26-minute haircut. Do it match any of my hour-worth haircut, a 30 or 40-minute haircut? What you think? Yeah, definitely. You know, while we at it, let me hit these right quick. I got one. Got two. Cause Jeezy think he the only one with the Delkin. Let me show y'all. Yeah. Hold up, let me keep this right for y'all. Shooter's gonna shoot. I got my boy in the game. What Jeezy said, he said he needed a guaranteed 30 minutes. He needed the haircut that I do most of the time. Waivers haircut, taper sides and back, full beard, enhance line, and hit him with the Barber Magic pencil, and clean his hairs up top. We do this 30 minutes every day. Every day. We do 30 minutes every day. So look, we can do it. I think when he throw it like above here. So it's like you go over like that, and then you come back. Because you got to cover it for a specific amount of time. Okay. Another 45-minute haircut. Right now it is 12:23. And I just got to get this haircut done, I guess, before 108. Let's get to this money. Y'all know what time it is. Whoa. Random thought. Jeezy said, I got the heart of a waiver.
I'm saying, you just don't know the heart of a man. You know what I mean? You don't know a heart of a waiver. When I don't even want to take off my do-rag, but you don't know the heart of a waiver.
Can't speak too soon. Alexa, roll a clip of November 7th, 2007. Whoa. That was 13-year-old Beam. I know everybody losing their mind. I just don't want everybody to speak too soon, understanding, no, I done been walked this path. first clip showed that it was 12:50 when I got it done. It's 12:51 right now, meaning the haircut was done in what, 26 minutes? 26? Yeah, 26 minutes, meaning I got 17 to 18 more minutes worth of playtime. So I'm just gonna use additional 5 minutes just to, you know, do some detail work so I can show y'all how to separate yourself from average, you know, and line yourself up next to the guys. So I'm doing it in 26 minutes with the beard included. Your boy did 2 haircuts and no beard, and that was 25 minutes. And they nowhere near at this level. Charm on the beat. 12:53. I'll take an additional 2 to 3 minutes. All right, y'all, here we go. Oh no, well, no, let me show y'all. Show off the Delkin. Since these subscribe. Since these YouTubers think they the only ones with it. You can come up off that mirror though. Ah, okay, we got it. So I don't know why I told myself I never would driving because I normally do it in 30 to 45. What you think about a 26-minute haircut? I'm gonna spin you around while I'm holding the camera as well. What'd you say? Yes, sir. We got this one in the bag, bro. I appreciate you for coming through. So, this is my third one. Another 30 minute to 45-minute haircut. This is what I do. They got another canvas right here. 103. 103. It's 11:15, so I took 4 minutes of troubleshooting time. This is just what happens when, you know, when you get everything done quick. When you get it all done quick, you got time to do stuff like this. Tell that boy, we got time. That's all I got today. You picked the right one. I apologize, YouTube. What time we got? It's 1:28. I started this at 1:03. That's 25 minutes. I done wasted 8 minutes on just troubleshooting with the damn equipment. Let's get back to this video and finish up, bro. Golly. I'm so uninterested in this challenge. 45 minutes, 132. Yo, so we completed all 3 of these haircuts today. Even though the challenge was 1, I do this every day. So I just figured, why not throw some more content in there that I probably won't be recording, putting on a regular part of the channel. And this was the 3rd one. We did like a 2 all over. Taped at the back real nice. Cleaned and trimmed up his hairs up top. Solid, clean lineup. Typical. Y'all know what time it is. I was in that bag. And we finna get to some of the good stuff. Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Beam, and today we threw down. We put up the shots. We did 3 amazing haircuts in under 30 minutes. The challenge was to do the haircuts in 45 minutes. I did all 3 of my haircuts in 26 minutes. 2 had full complete beards, and they were amazing haircuts. He said, do my haircuts that I do every day in under 30 minutes and show the clock, and I showed that. Also, I don't want y'all to veer away from the topic of Jeezy definitely tried to say, I don't want this on content, but he trying to veer y'all away from what he originally said, which was waivers know what waivers won't. So you got to come outside and you got to come holler at me. We ain't putting time constraints on nobody. 30 minutes, which was quote unquote a challenge. I do this every day. No challenge at all. I'm done taking challenges. No time restraints. I want the best Jeezy. I want to see Jeezy at an all-time high. You got 24 hours, or you can spend a whole 24 hours on the canvas. I need to see one of the best waiver haircuts that you can push, period. You got to be able to bang with the best. I'm talking about shape-shifting. I'm not talking about regular waiver haircuts, shape-shifting. This is not a challenge. This is just what I want to see, because you got to stand on your words. You said if you don't have waves, you don't know what a waiver wants. I'm the person without waves that's standing outside of your house. Come holler at me. So y'all know what time it is. If it wasn't for my motivation and my dedication, and when the going gets tough and the tough gets going, and chill!